Hi kiddos, it's Miss Bean here, and today we are talking about density and floating. So basically what density is, the easiest term to explain is if we have two pasta boxes that are the same size, right? We assume that they weigh the same, but we don't always know that. They're the same size. This box has some pasta in it, and it's about a pound. It's pretty light. This box I have put to demonstrate how some things might be a lot heavier. I put a weights inside here. So this is about 3 pounds inside this box. So even though some things are the same size, something else might be heavier. And so that is what basically density, when we're trying to see what floats and what doesn't, what has more density, is something that weighs more. So we're going to do an experiment today, and you need to print off the PDF that I put below this little sheet here and gather all the objects, and we're going to get started. All right, kiddos, so when you have your printout here, does it float? We are going to gather all these things that are on your sheet. If you don't have everything that's on the sheet, that's okay, all right? One thing I did forget to put at the bottom of our PDF is foil. So you can add that if you want. I'm going to show that part. What you want to do first before we begin with our experiment is you're going to guess whether this object will float, yes or no. So go through all the objects and make a hypothesis, a guess. Does the pencil float? Yes or no? Does the spoon float? Yes or no? Does the wine cork float? Yes or no? Does the penny, or whatever coins you have, a paper clip, a cotton ball, a crayon, a rubber band, dice, an eraser, and foil. And when you're done with the experiment, then you'll have your answer. Did it float? Yes or no? And you can see the difference. So the first one that we're going to start off with is foil. Miss Bean's going to do that one with you here. And I want you to take a piece of foil and lightly crunch it up, just lightly. So it's pretty lightweight, right? And we're going to see if this floats on water. And yes, it does, right? Now I'm going to take this same piece here and crunch it up into a super tight ball, which is going to make it more dense, which is more heavy. And we're going to see if it floats. It does float, but not as lightly as the other piece that I had floating here. Okay? All right. What do you guess about the spoon? What did you put for the spoon? Yes or no? Let's see. Oh my goodness. No, it does not float, my friends. All right. And we're going to try this wine cork here. Did you put yes or no? It's pretty lightweight, huh? It's not very heavy. And it floats. That'd be kind of fun to make a little boat out of that too later. All right, so you're going to go down your list and keep on experimenting with each one. And then you can discuss with Mom and Dad. And I hope you enjoy this. All right, bye guys.